Jules, this is Ryan. Was on an airplane that's been hijacked. If things don't go well, it's not looking good. I just want you to know I absolutely love you. I want you to do good. So have a good time. Same to my parents and everybody. And I just totally love you. And I will see you in Jasper. Bye, babe.
What are those people going to do? All the elevators are blocked out.
9/11. You can say that the world has had some painful histories that go back 100 or 50 years. But 9/11 is a painful history that didn't happen quite long ago. 9/11 is an attack on the Twin Towers. This attack happened on 9/11/2001. That's why they call this painful history 9/11. 19 terrorists that claimed to belong to Al-Qaeda took over 4 planes in total. The crash killed 2,977 people and wounded 6,291 plus people. 2 planes got crashed into the Twin Towers, 1 in the Pentagon and 1 in Shanksville.
In the 4 planes that were hijacked were a total of 19 terrorists. Most of them were from Saudi Arabia. The best known hijacker of the operation was Mohammed Atta. He was probably the leader of the group and the pilot of the first hijacked aircraft that landed in the North Tower of the World Trade Center. Osama bin Laden, one of the leaders of Al-Qaeda, is held responsible by the American and other Western governments for the attacks on 9/11. Bin Laden was shot during a US military operation in 2011. Since then, Al-Qaeda has a new leader named Ayman al-Zawahiri. He is also known for his 9 video messages. The last broadcasted speech of Ayman was in 2007.
Khalid Sheikh Mohammed was the first one to present the 9/11 idea to bin Laden in 1996 in Afghanistan, but nothing came from that idea yet. According to September 11 Commission, it was Khalid Sheikh Mohammed his plan to hijack 12 airplanes on both the east and west coasts, and 11 of them to be crashed into the World Trade Center, the Empire State Building, the Pentagon, the Presidential Tower, the White House, the United States Capitol, the Willis Tower, the US Bank Tower, the Transamerica Pyramid, and the Columbia Center. In December 1998, the director of Central Intelligence Counterterrorist Center reported to President Bill Clinton that Al-Qaeda was preparing attacks in the US. In late 1998, bin Laden approved Khalid Sheikh Mohammed's plan. After bin Laden approved Khalid's plan, there was a series of meetings in spring of 1999 involving Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, Osama bin Laden, and his deputy Mohammed Atif. Bin Laden recommended 4 individuals for the attack. These 4 individuals were Nawaf al-Hazmi, Khalid al-Mihdar, Walid Muhammad Salih bin Atash, and Abu Bara al-Taizi. Al-Hazmi and al-Mihdar were both Saudi citizens, which made it easy for them to obtain US visas. Khalid and al-Taizi were both Yemeni citizens, which made it harder for them to obtain visas to the US. So the 2 Yemenis were assigned for the Asia component of the attack. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed was the head of Al-Qaeda's military committee. He provided operational support such as selecting targets and helping arrange travel for the hijackers.
I'm on the 83rd floor. I'm gonna die, aren't I? No. I'm gonna die. Ma'am, say your prayers. We're gonna think positive because you gotta help each other get off the floor. I'm gonna die. No.